So we're going to make a marbled paper raindrop to showcase a handwritten message by you about water conservation. You'll need a tray, some paper, shaving cream, food coloring, spatulas, bamboo skewer, scissors, and a marker. After you spray your shaving cream in the tray, you are going to flatten it out as flat as possible. Now you're going to take your food coloring and dabble it anywhere you want. I'm making it pretty even, but you really don't have to. It can be one area versus another area, but this will just give you a bit more of a mottled look, which is, I think, what I was aiming for. When I was done, actually, you'll see I could have put even more color. So now you're going to take your skewer, and what you're going to do is gently make some lines through the food coloring, up and down and up and down, and then side to side. And you can go even further if you want, diagonal, add more food coloring at this point, anything. It always looks amazing. So once you're done that, you're going to take your paper and gently place it on top. And then I am just gently making sure that all the color gets on my paper at this point, because I don't want to lift it off and then not have any color left on there after all the work that I did. So once that's done, you're going to peel it away. There's going to be some shaving cream on there, but don't you worry, you'll see what we're going to do just next. I'm going to take my larger spatula that I actually use for cakes, and it works really well, but a spatula or a piece of card will do. And you just take off all of that shaving cream, and there you go. Let the paper dry before you cut your job. So now I'm cutting a shape into a teardrop. I'm just doing it by eye, but if you feel like making a template on the back so that you have the perfect shape, then go right ahead. So now that I have my shape and I'm happy with the way it looks, I'm going to write my message on the back. And there are so many to choose from, but I feel that this particular message holds true for us because I don't like doing a lot of laundry, and it's really great to conserve water. Now you should display your drops. They're not only beautiful, but an excellent conversation starter. To learn more, a lot more, about water, pick up a copy of City of Water and be inspired to change the way you look at one of our most beautiful resources.